In C#, string and string are essentially the same thing. They are both aliases for the same .NET System.String type. 1. Use string for declarations. 1. Use string for static methods. Look at this example, they both work the same. In C#, the string keyword and the string class are interchangeable because string is just an alias for System.String. That means you can use string to call static methods like equals, just as you can with string. Both string and string are functionally identical in C#. Using one over the other in static method calls like equals is purely a stylistic choice. Some developers prefer using string when calling static methods to make it clearer that these methods are part of the .NET System.String class, not something unique to the C# string keyword. This is a matter of style and readability, not functionality. Stick with one consistently for better code readability. For most developers, string is the preferred choice.